Extended reality XR, bridging the gap between physical and digital worlds. Extended reality, encompassing virtual reality and augmented reality, will blur the lines between the physical and digital realms by 2025. XR technologies will revolutionize entertainment, education, healthcare, and retail, offering immersive and interactive experiences. In entertainment, VR will transport users to virtual worlds, enabling lifelike gaming, virtual travel, and immersive storytelling. AR will overlay digital information onto the physical world, enhancing experiences in museums, concerts, and sporting events. In education, XR will facilitate interactive learning, allowing students to explore historical events, conduct virtual experiments, and collaborate in virtual classrooms. Healthcare will benefit from XR through virtual training for medical professionals, remote surgeries, and patient rehabilitation. Retail will see the rise of virtual try-ons, where customers can visualize products in their environment before purchase. The adoption of XR will also enhance decision-making, reduce training costs, and create new avenues for creativity and innovation.